let's look at the parts of a class. So first off, in a class, you may or may not have this, but you might have the package. That's indicating where your class is located. Next, you're going to have a comment. This comment is going to describe the class, and it's going to have the author and also the version number. So as you make changes, the version number gets updated. Then you have public class, and then your class name. Now this name here matches the name of the file. So your file name will be PartsOfAClass.java. Now, next thing we have are your instance variables, also known as fields. Now this is an example, and of course you would replace this example with your own. So private int text. So these instance variables are data. It could be another object. It could be anything you want, but they're almost always private. You say private, the data type, and then you give it a name, like X. Next, we have our constructors. You can have as many constructors as you want or need for the class. And you comment that, public, and then the name of the class. So public, this matches the name of the class, parts of a class. Inside the parentheses, you can put as many or no parameters in here. But you have to make sure that all the constructors that you do have different parameters. And then inside the constructor, this is where you initialize your instance variables. So I set x equal to 0 here. And then you have all of your methods. Now I wrote one method here, but a class can have as many methods as it needs. So you've got the comment describing what the method does, the parameters, and then return. So here we go, public int sample method, and then parentheses is a parameter int y, and then you would put your code here inside the body of the method. This just returns x plus y, so it returns the parameter plus x. X, remember, was the field. So it's not really doing anything terribly useful here, but this is just a sample to get you an idea of what a method is doing. And those are the parts of the class. So again, name, instance variables and or fields, the constructors, and then the methods. And that is the end of this lesson.